Today is the next set of core sounds, core pronunciation sounds in Pinyin. The, t, n, l. These are tongue tip sounds. They show up in the most common beginner sentences. So when they become clean, your whole Chinese becomes easier to understand. Our goal is simple. You feel 4 clear moves at the front of your mouth and then use them inside real sentences you already know. First, find the place. Put the tip of your tongue just behind the top of your teeth on that ridge. That is the home base for t, t, n, l. Can you see my tongue? T, 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 n, l. Now the key contrast for D and T is the same as B and P, the puff of air. So D is light, almost no puff of air. T has a small puff of air. Another important difference between the English D and the Chinese D is the sharpness of it. Listen to it closely. D for da, as in English D, da. It's lower, it's more resonant. Whereas the Chinese D is sharper and higher. Da, da is almost like a T, but without the puff of air. So you have the English D, da, Chinese D, da, and then ta. Da, da, ta. So say it with me. Da, da, da. Not da, da, da. Da, da, da. Ta, ta, ta. Can you hear that? Now do the alternates. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, you already know it means he. Ta also means she. And ta, the same ta, means it. So it can mean he, she, or it. Ta, ta, ta. So you can say 他和他和他 means he, she, and it. He, she, and it, the dog, your dog. They all pronounce as ta with the T, ta with a puff of air. Same sound, same tone, first tone, ta. In real listening, you usually know which one from the context, so you don't stress about it. Now we add a very useful everyday word, tai. Tai means too or very. Tai nan means too hard or too difficult. So nan is difficult. So that's your N. Nan. Tai, that's the T. And ta is the D. 它太难 TTN 它太难 It is too hard. So this ta is it. 它太难 It is too hard. Na You remember that? 那个这个那个 that one, this one. Or 哪个 that is which one? 哪个那个 which one? That one. And the word 在 we learned that in the lessons 1 to 10. 在 is there, present. 在那 在那 There it is 在那 There it is 他在那他在那 He's there He's there And remember 累 for the sound L 累我很累他很累 He is very tired I'm very tired 累 And then now 他太累他太累 He's too tired He's overtired Let's revise B 不 The word 不 has two sounds So 不 often becomes 不 before a fourth tone like tai. So instead of 不太 we say 不太不太累 not very tired 他不太累他太累 He's too tired 他不太累 He's not too tired 他累 is tired Great, you just trained T and also the tone pair 1 and 4. Ta, tai. Now let's introduce one new word early because we'll use it later to make the perfect t, n, l sequence. Tao. Tao means arrive, reach, or to a place. Tao. That's the D, Tao, not the Tao. Tao. 他到家，他到家。He 到 arrive 家 home. He arrived home or he arrives home. 他到了，他到了。He's here. He's arrived. 他到了。That little l is like the little t and the ma. It's extremely common. It means it's happened. It has happened. It's done. You don't need to analyze it. You just say it. 他到了. He's arrived. He's already arrived here now. Another new word for today. 对. 对 means right, correct. Yes, that's correct. 对. 对. So it's a D again, but not the dui, not the low D as English D, but the sharp D as Chinese D. So it's D, not D. Here is where you also get the word Didi, Didi, little brother. So it's not Didi. It's not 我的弟弟. It's 我的弟弟的弟弟. So it's the, d, not the, d. 你对 You're right. 你对我对 I'm right. 他对 He is right. Now let's switch to N and L. This pair is famous because many learners mix them up. 哪里 Where? 哪里 Now add two useful location words. 这里 那里 Here, there. 他在那里他在这里 He's there, she's here. One last new word. 来 Look at my tongue. 来你来这里 You come here. 你来这里 So now we can build a clean phrase that contains the D, T, N, and L in that order. This is a very practical line when you want someone to come over to where another person is. And it's a good one to practice because it contains all the sounds, the second set of sounds in Chinese. The, t, n, l, in a simple sentence. So, 到他那里，到他那里来。So let's break it down. 到他那里来，到他那里来。So 他那里 where he is. 他那里 where he is. 到 means arrive and 来 is come. So the whole sentence means come to where he is. Come over there. 到他那里来。Just learn it as a phrase to practice your the, t, n, l. 到他那里来，到他那里来。So say it slowly. 到他那里来 and then say it faster slowly. 到他那里来。Now let's put everything into one tiny mini story. 爸爸到了，爸爸到了。Dad arrived. 他到家了，他到家了。He's arrived at home. 他在哪里？哪里 Where? That's a question. 他在哪里？ Where is he? 他在家。他在那里？在那里 He's there. 你来这里 You come here. 你来这里。我来 I'm coming. 我来。Now final practice. 你在哪里？我在这里。他在那里？你呢？他到了。他到家了。他太累。他不太累。对，你对，我也对。If your tongue feels stiff, that is normal. Our mouths need time and repetition. You're not doing an exam, you're training your mouth for real speaking. When you feel comfortable with t, n, l, we'll move on to the next set, which is g, k, h, which is the back of the mouth sounds. G, k, h. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Meanwhile, keep practicing.